Good evening, everyone. Just confirm whether the audio and video is clear or not. Good evening, Khushi. Hello. Let's wait for students to join, then we'll start, okay? So today is the fifth class in our question practice series, right? And Khushi, if you wish, there are various other like question practice series videos available. You can watch those as well. Complete playlist is available. Watch in there. Let everyone join, then we'll begin. Okay. Good evening, Abhishek. Let everyone join, then we'll begin. Just check whether the audio and the video is clear or not. And is there any difference in the audio quality today? Just check this as well. Already watched. Very good, Khushi. That's a very good thing. Good evening, Niharika. Just check, students, is there any change in the audio quality today? We have tried to add on some of the other elements. Just check whether it's working well or not. So today is the fifth class in our practice series, right? So today we'll be discussing few more questions, few more practice questions for you all. Let's begin. So before starting, if you haven't yet downloaded the application of Botany Insider, download it. Available both on the iOS, both on the iOS and Android, both. Okay. In addition, we have a crash course running, and we have Khushi from that particular course. She is enrolled in that course. So even if you also wish, other students, if you wish to enroll, you can enroll in this particular course with PYQ pointers hard copy. Okay, so this is for the crash course. In addition, we also have a full course running for the students who are beginners and they are preparing for June 2023 examination. If you are preparing being a beginner, so you can you enroll in this. Otherwise, the crash course is for you all. So this is the very first question for today. The question is, which of the following pairs of the subcellular compartments is likely to have the same pH and the electrolyte composition? Okay, question is, which of the following pairs of the subcellular components is likely to have the same pH and the electrolyte composition? It is one of the question from cell biology. Okay, so give it a try, everyone. Mark the answers in the chat section as and when it's done. Everyone, mark the answers. B, D, okay. In the class. Which doubt, Abhishek? Okay, most of you are marking the answer as either D or B. Others also mark the answers quickly. Then we'll solve it out together. Niharika, mark the answer. Abhishek, already marked. One more student is left. Mark the answer, bache. Then we'll solve it out together. This is a factual question actually. Done? Okay. Let's see. The answer for this particular question is option number B. So those of you who gave the answer as B, very good. It is the cytosol and the mitochondrial intermembrane space. So when you look into the structure of the mitochondria, so the mitochondria is a double membranous structure. Okay, in this double membranous structure you have the inner matrix and we have the intermembrane space and the matrix being there. So it is the intermembrane space, that is this particular membrane, and let's say this is the complete cell. So in the cytosol and the intermembrane space we have the similar likely pH and the electrolyte composition. Remember about this. This is a previous year question and very very important as well. Next question in front of you. The question is regarding, out of the list given below, which is the correct order of increasing the lipid membrane permeability? So, the lipid bimembrane is selectively permeable to various molecules, to various substances. So, it is asking us that what is the correct order of increasing the lipid membrane permeability. So, get the answer for this particular question. Abhishek, I already told you that we'll be having a complete marathon on the most important techniques yesterday itself, right? And the other students. Okay, if you're forgetting previous ones, that means you need to revise more, you need to practice more, because if you're forgetting the things, then that for sure there is some uh, lag in the preparation, there is some lag in the revision. So make sure that you are revising very very nicely. And if you're finding any difficulty in revision, join the crash course, because many students are already there. You can join in there and have a structured revision with us. Done everyone? Mark the answers for this. Okay, everyone is writing the answer as option number A. Okay, very good. Let's check the answer. Answer for this question is option number A. Very very good. All of you got the answers correct. Excellent. So first you have the gas, then you have ethanol, then water, glucose, ionic compound, and in the last we'll be having the nucleic acid. That is the either the DNA or the RNA. So that would be in the last, and in the initial would be the gaseous molecule. So you can easily narrow down with the elimination method and easily mark the answer as option number A itself. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's move forward to the next question. This is the next question for you all. The question is that, good evening Selva, which of the following is not a post translational modification in the mammalian system? Which of the following is not the post translational? So this is a unit 6 unit a 3 question, which is fundamental processes. Okay, get the answer for this. Which of the following is not a post translational modification in the mammalian system? 4 options: A, B, C and D. Get the answer for this question now everyone. Okay, Janvi is marking the answer as D. Others? C. Okay. Okay, some are marking the answer as A, C, B, D. So all the options have been marked by the students. Very good. Others also mark the answers quickly. Okay, new student. Hello, Palak. Done everyone. Let's check. Answer is option number C. Very good. So those of you who gave the answer as option C, your answer is correct. So sorry, peptidylation is not a process, it is not a post translational modification, because what is this all about? It is the formation of what? It is the formation of the peptide bonds. This is not a post translational modification, this is something that happens in the course of the translation, right? This is something which happens during the complete process of the translation which is going on. So answer is option number C. Very good. Those of you who gave the answer as option C, excellent. Palak and Kushi, Niharika, you all gave the answer C. Very good. And those of you who have not given the answer correct, I hope you'll remember about this, that phosphorylation, glycosylation and palmitation, all these three are post translational modification in the mammalian system. Okay, so now this is a general aptitude question for you all. Give it a try to this question. The question is saying that what is the volume of the soil in an open pit of size 2x, 2 meters into 2 meters into 10 centimeters. Okay, so you have an open pit with 2 meters, 2 meters and 10 centimeters as the dimension. It is asking what is the volume of the soil in this particular pit. Read the question carefully and get the answer. It is 2022 question. Okay, everyone mark the answer. Everyone try to solve it, mark the answers. Okay, if you read the question carefully you will get the answer. Okay, because this is something like the examiner is checking our presence of mind, so get the answer. Okay, very good, very good. Abhishek is writing C, Selva C, Niharika, Khushi, both of them writing the answer as C. Other students also quickly mark the answers and make sure that you are not skipping off with general aptitude specifically in the examination. Very, very important. Done, everyone? Should we give it a try now? Okay, so if you read the question carefully, the question so if you read the question carefully, the question is saying that you need to find the volume, and this volume we need to find of the soil in the open pit. Good evening, Kaveri. You need to find the volume of soil in an open pit. Don't you think that this is a very contradictory thing that we need to find a volume as well, and that too in an open pit? If the pit is open, how can that have soil in it, right? So the examiner have tricked you with giving all these dimensions, all these tips like 40 meter cube, etc, etc. So answer for this question is option number C, direct. Because if you read, and that's the reason why I said that if you read the question carefully, you will get the answer in minutes. Not even in minutes, maybe less than 30 seconds, you can easily mark the answer if you read it very, very nicely. Okay, so this is the question. Let's do one more question. This is the next question for you all. The question is saying that a fair die is thrown 3 times. Okay, so what is a die? If you all play, any one of you who's playing Ludo and all those like indoor games, so we have a dice in that, right? So it is saying that it is thrown 3 times, and it is a fair dice. That means on the all the sides of it, either it is 1 2 3 4 or 5 6, there is no repetition, there is no like any difference from the normal real dice that we have. Question is asking that the outcome was repeatedly 6. Okay, if the die is thrown again, what is the probability of getting a dice, what getting a 6 again? Okay, it is saying we have first, then second condition, then third condition. In each of them we got a 6. It is asking what is the probability that in the fourth attempt as well we'll be getting a 6 only. Get the answer for this question, everyone. Read it properly, you'll get the answer. And these things are repeatedly asked in exam, so you can see such easy questions are getting asked to you in part A specifically, so it's a very very scoring part. Okay, very good. Others also mark the answer. Very good, everyone. That means you all have good understanding of this concept. Very good. Others also mark the answer. Palak, mark the answer, bache. Selva, mark the answer. Who else? The others have marked. Read the question. It is saying that a fair die is thrown 3 times. Okay, that means there is no dependency of the first outcome onto the second one or vice versa. The every means every outcome is independent. It could work in a normal sense. So onto the first site, it is saying we got a 6. Okay, onto the second attempt as well we are getting a 6, and onto the third attempt as well it is saying what is the probability of getting a 6 again. So in total you have 6 of the possibilities there, either 1 2 3 4 5 or 6. These are the 6 possibilities that could be there, right? So it is asking what is the probability of getting 6. So 6 can occur only once out of 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, out of the 6 outcomes possible. So answer is yes, option number A itself, right? So I hope this is again clear to you. So if you all are interested, we can do one more question. We have few extra questions for you today. Now the question is, what is the minimum number of moves that is required to transform this particular figure into this figure? That means this is the figure given in front of you, and then you need to find out that how many moves are possible that you can easily convert the first figure into the second figure, and you need to find out the minimum number of moves. And also how is a move defined? A move is defined by removing a coin and placing it to a surface, or placing it to a specific position where it would be touching two other coins. That means if you have this coin and if you are placing it over here, that means it should be touching two coins. That is what a move is called about. Get the answer? Done, everyone? It is so that the students could give it a try. That is the reason why I provide a lot of hints. If students would be like interested, then only they'll be able to solve the questions. Okay, that is the reason why giving hints is helpful for students, and it boosts the confidence of students. Get the answer, everyone. Give it a try. Done? Done, everyone? Quickly mark the answers. Then we'll try to solve it out together. Okay, so I guess most of you have done it. Let's give it a try. So just observe carefully. You need to make this figure, and you have this triangle in front of you. If you keep these two, like, let me erase it first. Okay, if you take this, okay, and you place it over here, that means we are placing the first one over here. So now what is left? Just take the other one and keep it over here. So how do we get it? This is the first move, and this is the second move. So you have only two moves in front of you, as a result of which you can easily remove and make this figure or convert this figure into the other figure, right? So this is the explanation for this. Answer is option number B. Those of you gave the answer, very good, answer is correct. So you can see these type of questions get repeated in the examination time and again. So you can see that this is something very scoring. If you skip off these type of questions, there are chances that you will be skipping off the free marks that CSIR is giving you from their end, right? So make sure that you are marking down, you are preparing for these type of questions on daily basis, because maths is something which need to be practiced, and the more you practice, the better results you will be getting, right? So are these questions clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is everything clear to everyone? We have discussed 3 general aptitude and 3 previous year questions of theory part. So with this particular class, we are concluding our 4th marathon. This was the 4th marathon that we conducted for the students. So we'll be starting off with a new marathon on Monday, okay, in which either we'll take up only the general aptitude, or we'll take up unit number 13, which some students have demanded for. So you can all download the application and give your what do you say, your suggestions regarding what are you expecting in the next marathon. We'll plan it out accordingly. It would help you also out, and you can join in daily to get to understand your things. Okay, so I hope all these things are clear. So would you like to is there any kind of difficulty you all are facing in your preparation, or anything you wish to discuss with us? You can discuss. You still have 3-4 minutes. Any problem that you are facing, you can discuss over here. And if you are facing difficulty in the revision concept, then for sure come to our crash course. Khushi is already a part of it. She is like attending the crash course. She's attending crash course, and she's over here in the marathon class as well. So you can ask her about the feedback. She can guide you better. Okay. For structured revision, this course would help you out for sure. And if you are a beginner, you need to like do it from the scratch. We have a full course as well, which you can use and prepare accordingly. Anything you wish to ask, you can. Otherwise, let's end this class and meet on Monday with a new marathon. Okay, everyone? 2019 you cleared your masters. This time try it with us. Try to revise with us. Download the app, get enrolled in this revision course, and give it a try with us this time. How to prepare unit number 12? Unit number 12 complete playlist is available on Botany Insider. All the important topics is covered in a single playlist. Go for unit number 12 from there. That is more than enough for that unit, because it's a very general unit, so you need not to like roam here and there for this unit. You can just do that. 2022 88 percentile, that is a very good score. 88 percentile is a good score. This time revise with us, you'll for sure like, you just require a push of 10 to 11 percentile, you'll be able to qualify this time. So do not be disheartened, you still can qualify very easily. Anything else? Any other doubt? If no, we can then complete the class over here itself. Yes, all the videos are there, so you can check it, and it would help you out for unit number 12. And other units as well. Unit 6 is there, unit 2 is there, 1 is there. Many units, many videos are there you can use. And if you want to prepare in structured manner, you can come here. Okay, anything else? One doubt? Yes, please. Kushi, first and last attempt means you're attempting it for the very first time? Okay, quickly ask your doubt then, because time is over. Okay, that's a very good thing, Kushi. If it's your first attempt, I wish you all the very best, and let's revise every day very nicely. Join in the class tomorrow morning. Okay. Why are we giving chemotherapy drugs against cancer cell? Right now we are discussing very general things, so this is theory thing, we'll discuss in the theory class itself, and the time is also over. So this we'll discuss when we'll be discussing about the general thing. Okay. Bye everyone, take care. We'll discuss this specific doubt in the class where we'll be discussing about cancer and everything. Okay. Bye everyone, take care.